Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable front windscreen de-icer in Toyota RAV4. Okay, so let's begin. From the point where I'm sitting, simply go into that place, and this icon, as you take a look, the second from the left, is our de-icer. So now I'll tap it and you might see on the dash now that normally it would now be turned on, but the temperature outside is above 5 degrees, so it won't de-ice. But that's the way how you can turn it on in your Toyota. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.